can see it sinking. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is scary. Oh. Yeah, winds are hitting us. Winds are hitting us. Oh my god, the winds are strong. The winds are strong. Yeah. Oh my god, the cars are driving. I know I'm doing.
Rocking the legacy.
Oh my god. Oh my god, we're having the
Would you like to take a shot in the dark?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
A recent study at the 50 lowest paying
Oh
jobs in
my
America.
god. Yeah, it's strong.
Radio
Yeah, it's strong.
Not even in the top 10.
OMG!
What?
You're never gonna.
Look at the cars.
I know.
Honestly,
They're escaping.
They're trying to get out.
They're trying to get out.
Screw up.
That
bad
wind
enough
is
that they
crazy.
Get rid of me or lose my mind. This is the job I want. It's the lowest paying job apparently.
Oh my god.
I gotta
Oh my god.
outdoors.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's crazy.
Maybe
The winds are strong. Oh my god.
trash pickup,
Oh my
gardener.
god.
I don't know.
Just like.
Shampoo or someone who works in a salon but
Oh my
only
god.
washes hair.
Oh
It's
my
an
god.
entry-level job where you're trying to be a stylist. It's $30,830
Oh
a
my
year.
god, oh my god. We're escaping. Escape, escape. Escape for our lives. God,
But I
save
believe if
us.
you're looking
God,
at
save
this,
us.
I think the study that they're
Save
doing
us, God,
is
save
on
us.
jobs that were
Save
40-hour
us.
work weeks.
Okay, so the person that washes your
Save
hair
us,
when
God,
you go
save us.
into
We are
Floyd's barbershop
saving
is
Twitter.
Well, because for instance,
they
From
don't
Showakin
make a lot of money.
Showakin
Number
City
two,
is now in the
I
back
gotta say,
end.
you know, times
Oh
I've
god,
gone in
oh
there,
god.
they do a pretty good job, man. I tip them.
a lot of
Oh
these
my
seem to
god,
be
this is
split. I
crazy.
guess it's
This
also where base salaries and
everyone
things of that
is
nature.
running
But they're split hairs because the
from
highest
that
on this
winter.
list out of
Split
10,
hairs, are they?
hey, yes, you did there, is $33,000, and that's going to be a dishwasher, which is ahead of the fast food counter workers.
Who gets paid more, the dishwasher or a busboy?
Dishwasher.
Yeah.
I'd imagine their skin gets destroyed, dude. That water is hot. Those weird chemicals that we're putting on our plates.
God.
Right.
Stuff's crazy.
So you'd rather be a bus person than a dishwasher?
But what's weird to me is that in the restaurants I worked at, if you had no prior experience in kind of like food industry, it seemed like,
Yeah.
you
Or
would
cook.
often start as a dishwasher and then you would
Or
go to prep
cook.
cook, line
When?
cook from that point.
The when?
I've watched this
Or
happen
cook.
for several people.
I was going to ask you, how many do you
When it's
think
blowing
actually
out.
start
Oh
at
my
the
God.
lowest point in
OMG.
the kitchen and eventually work their way up to head chef or something like that?
A good
I guess you could be a assistant, but maybe you get to
See
be
a
the
big
chief,
cloud right here?
chief chef.
Yeah, I see
Yeah,
a big
what's the top
clown.
chef?
It's really big.
Head chef.
Okay, I got it right.
They typically end up going to other restaurants to become head chef.
I got you.
Fast food cook is number 2.
I was gonna say something fast food, but then I was like, well, don't some of these
A lot of
part-time jobs are making pretty
more.
good money now?
Exactly, that's where it comes into. Number 8 would be a good one for me too. Gambling and sportsbook
my
writers and
God.
runners. So the people
Oh my
who
God,
help
this is
facilitate
crazy.
bets in casinos or run games like Keno. But you know where those people are making their money? Hot hands. Throw them a couple of chips.
Oh, right.
Yeah, dude, I hit big
Can I
one night and I paid the gentleman at the table far more
Yeah,
than
the
it
winner.
turns out I
Yeah,
was
the
supposed
win.
to.
Wow.
The win, the
And
win,
so
the
I was
win.
like, hey, you can't go
The
back to
win,
that.
What's
the
kind of
win,
the
the win
standard
is
tip,
bad.
you think?
It depends
The
on
win is
what
bad, oh my God.
kind
How well
of
you hit?
yeah that you're doing. But typically, I mean, there's a lot of times where it's like, and here's the thing: is these people are degenerates too most of the time because you're like, hey, here's 20 for the dealer, and they go, dealer, hard 8.
Oh my
on
God.
Craft's table.
Oh my
They
God.
immediately go, what do I care?
Oh my
It's your
God,
money.
that
You know,
win.
I didn't have this in the
Oh.
first place, and that's how
We're
I
inside.
look at gambling.
Yeah. That's good.